Let us take number 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now divide them by 4. Take root of them. 0 by 4, root over 1 by 4, root over 2 by 4, root over 3 by 4 and root over 4 by 4. What do we get here? Root over 0, that is we will get here 0. Root over 1 upon 4 we will get 1 upon 2. This 1 by root 2. This we will get root 3 by 2 and this 1. Now take it at 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Let us write here sine. This is the value of sine 0 degree. This is the value of sine 30, sine 45, sine 60 and sine 90. Take cos. Write 1 here. This root 3 by 2 here. This 1 by root 2 here. 1 by 2 here and 0. Now 0 by 1 we get 0. If we divide this by this, 2 cancel, we will get 1 by root 3. If we divide this by this, we will get 1. If we divide this by this, we get root 2, 2 cancel, we get root 3 here. 1 upon 0. 1 upon 0, this will be not defined. This will be for 10. Now we can find the reciprocal of sine, cos and tan, then we will get the value of cosec 0, cosec 30, cosec 45 and so on. In this way, we can form table for trigonometric ratios for some angle 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now we are going to use these values for solving some questions. Now we have to solve, we have to find the value of 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. Now we will use this table. Tan 45 we have 1, 2 into 1 square. Cos 30 we have root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 square minus sin 60 we have root 3 by 2. We will get 2 into 1 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Plus minus get cancelled, answer is 2. Now we will solve another question. Cos 45 degree upon sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. Now we will put their values from here. Cos 45 we have 1 by root 2. Sec 30 means reciprocal of cos 30, 2 upon root 3. Now cos 30 here. It is not cos 30, it is cosec 30. Cosec 30 will be reciprocal of sin 30, that is 2 by 1. Now we have to solve this. 1 upon root 2. This is 2 upon root 3 and 2 upon 1. LCM of root 3 and 1 we have root 3. Root 3 divided by root 3, 1, 1 into 2, 2. Root 3 divided by 1, root 3 into 2, 2 root 3. Now root 3 will come here, root 3 into 1 become root 3. Root 2 will come here, it will become root 2 into 2 plus 2 root 3. Like this. Root 3 upon 2 into root 2, 2 root 2 plus root 2 into root 3. We will get 2 root 6 here. Root 3 upon, we can take 2 common and in bracket we will write root 2 plus root 6. In place of root 2 plus root 6 we can also write root 6 plus root 2, since a plus b is equal to b plus a. Now we will rationalize the denominator. For this is root 3, 2 into root 6 plus root 2. We will multiply both numerator and denominator by root 6 minus root 2. Root 6 minus root 2. We will get here root 3 into root 6, root 18. Root 3 into root 2 minus root 6. 2 we have here, a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square means root 6 square minus root 2 square. 18, we can write 18 as 9 to the 18, and for 9 we can take 3 outside, it will become 3 root 2. 9 to the 18 minus root 6. We have 2 here, root 6 square means 6, root 2 square means 2. 6 minus 2 we will get 4, and it will become 3 root 2 minus root 6 upon 2 into 4, 8. This is the answer for this question. Here in this question we have tan a plus b is equal to root 3. Tan a minus b 1 upon root 3. 0 less than or less than a plus b less than or equal to 90 degree. Also a greater than b. We have to find the value of a and b. Here tan a plus b is equal to root 3. It is given. And tan 60 is equal to root 3. We know this. Then we can write tan a plus b is equal to tan 60 degree. On removing tan both sides, we get a plus b is equal to 60. Let it be equation 1. Again, tan a minus b is equal to 1 upon root 3. It is given. And we know that tan 30 degree is equal to 1 upon root 3. Then we can write tan a minus b is equal to tan 30 degree in place of 1 upon root 3 here. On removing tan from both sides, we get a minus b is equal to 30. This is our second equation. Now we will solve these two equations by elimination method or any other method, but here we will use elimination. A plus b is equal to 60. A minus b we have 30 degree. B get cancelled, plus minus we are left with 2a is equal to 90. Now a we will get 90 upon 2. This is 90 upon 2. We get 45 degree. Now on putting this value a is equal to 45 in equation, we get a plus b. We have 60. 45 plus b is equal to 60. Therefore b is equal to 60 minus 45 is equal to 15 degree. In this way we get the value of a is equal to 45 degree and b is equal to 15 degree. This is the answer.